Welcome to Beautyistic. Now, if you're someone who's always on the hunt for that one magical shampoo that restores and nourishes hair while keeping it shiny and healthy, you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ORIBE Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo Refill Pouch. It's designed for damaged hair, so whether you've been through color treatments or just need some serious hydration, this shampoo promises to give you the care your hair deserves. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the claims. First off, ORIBE is known for luxurious, high-performance products, and their Gold Lust line is no exception. This shampoo is all about repair, aiming to restore your hair's natural strength and shine. It comes in a refill pouch, which is an eco-friendly option that makes it easier to top up your bottle without the waste. This is definitely a win for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. The ingredients list is packed with nourishing oils, including argan oil and jojoba oil, both of which are known for their moisturizing and restorative properties. It also includes keratin to strengthen your hair and cypress extract, which is designed to protect the hair from environmental stressors. On top of that, the shampoo has a fresh, light scent that doesn't overpower, making it ideal for anyone who doesn't want their hair to smell like a perfume bottle. In terms of performance, I was genuinely impressed by how it felt on my hair. The shampoo is thick, creamy, and lathers beautifully. It doesn't strip my hair, which is often a concern with damage repairing shampoos. After rinsing, my hair felt softer and looked shinier, without any heaviness or residue. I tested it on both freshly colored hair and natural hair, and it didn't disappoint on either front. The moisturizing effect was evident almost immediately, and my hair felt hydrated for days after use. I can't forget to mention how the refill pouch works. It's super convenient. Rather than throwing away an entire plastic bottle when it's empty, you can just pour this. It's a nice touch into your original bottle. It's a nice touch for those who care about sustainability. Plus, it's a more economical option in the long run. Now, onto the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The product is hydrating, especially if you have dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. The formula is gentle enough for frequent use without causing buildup. The scent is fresh and clean, which is perfect for those who prefer more subtle fragrances. The refill pouch is eco-friendly and helps you save on packaging waste. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. It's on the pricier side, which may not be ideal if you're on a tight budget. Some people may find the scent too subtle, especially if you're a fan of strong, fragrant shampoos. If you have a sensitive scalp, the richness of the formula may not be for everyone, as it's definitely designed for deeper hydration. When it comes to value for money, ORIBE is a luxury brand, and the price point reflects that. However, considering the quality of the ingredients and the fact that you're getting a high-end product, it's worth it if you're really looking to give your hair that extra TLC it needs. If you're someone who doesn't mind spending a little more on top-tier hair care, this shampoo might be just what you're looking for. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other great options out there, like the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. It won't quite match the luxury feel, but it delivers moisture and shine at a fraction of the cost. In terms of build quality, the refill pouch is sturdy and designed to prevent leaks, which is crucial when you're dealing with liquid products. As for longevity, the shampoo will last you a good amount of time, especially since the formula doesn't require you to use a lot to get a good lather. Now, as for customer support, I haven't had to reach out to ORIBE directly, but their reputation is solid. They're known for being responsive and offering great service, especially for their luxury product lines. Overall, this product really delivers on its promise to repair and restore damaged hair. I would recommend this shampoo to anyone who has dry or color-treated hair and is looking to make a solid investment in their hair care routine. If you're someone who prioritizes eco-friendly options, the refill pouch makes it all the more appealing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the ORIBE Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo before, drop a comment below. Let's chat about your experience and how it worked for your hair. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.